Hi guys, how are you? Hope you all fine. So are you searching on the internet for a tutorial to how you can Disney streaming app on your Amazon Firestick device but cannot find any helpful guide? Then you are in the right place. Make sure to stay with this video tutorial and I am going to show you how you can install Disney streaming app on your Amazon Firestick device with complete instructions. The same guide will also work for Firestick 4K, FireTV, Firestick Lite and FireTV Cube. Before we start the installation steps, let's start with a brief introduction for Disney streaming app. Here you can stream and download your favorite movies, TV shows and original on Disney Plus. With Disney Plus, you get a premium ad-free experience, access to new releasing, throwback and beloved classic, exclusive new original from the creator Disney, Pixar, Marvel, Star Wars and National Geography. Group watch, a way to watch Disney Plus together if you are apart. Ultimate downloads on up to 10 devices, over 100 titles in 4K HUD and HDR. So if you want to install Disney streaming app on your Amazon Fire Stick device, you don't need to jailbreak on Fire Stick. So what you have to do, you need to click on search icon left side above menu and type here Disney Plus. When you type 2-3 word, the suggestion appear Disney Plus. Scroll down and click on. And here click on Disney Plus blue color icon. Now click on download button and the Disney app will start downloading in few seconds. It will depending on your internet speed. And here as you can see, Disney Plus has been installed on our Fire Stick. Now you open Disney Plus from here and also from home. So after installing, go back home screen by pressing remote home button. And here hold remote home button for a few seconds. And then click on apps. And here you will find all applications that is installed on our Fire Stick. So if you want to open Disney Plus, then scroll down and hover to Disney and open it. So you can use this method to download Disney Plus on your Amazon Fire Stick device. And I hope this video is really helpful for you, and please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any questions or questions, then comments on below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.